Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cannolis without tubes. Press thinner dough around a dowel or rolling pin to form shells, chill briefly, and fry until golden and crisp. Mix ricotta with powdered sugar, a touch of vanilla, and orange zest for bright flavor, then pipe gently into cooled shells. I'll walk you through dough texture, frying temperature, and quick fixes so your cannolis turn out fresh and delightful today. Start by combining cold butter with flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs, then add just enough ice water to bring the dough together. Rest the dough in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to relax the gluten and make rolling easier. Roll to about 1.5 millimeters and cut shapes slightly larger than your dowel or bottle neck, then drape and press gently to form shells before chilling briefly and frying. Heat oil to a steady 175 degrees C to 185 degrees C and fry shells a minute or two per side until golden, turning carefully to keep the shape intact. Drain on paper towel and cool completely. Warm shells will soften when filled. Whip ricotta with powdered sugar, vanilla, and a little orange zest, then pipe the filling just before serving for best texture. I'll also show tips for reheating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.